Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Not in today's newspaper because today is Sunday. And Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's the edition of yesterday. Yesterday, Saturday, May the 14th, 2022. And we have two puzzles left. The first puzzle I have solved is the letter Sudoku. The Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic are left. So now I will solve the Two Stars Sudoku and number. This will be number 4555. Triple five. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for Two Stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so no row between. The only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So two numbers left out in the last row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Oh wait, 1, 1. Then, let me see. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then, and then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. We have a pair. We have a pair. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, there are only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Alright, now we have a 4 in the first row. So no 4 in this box. Here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Together with the 7, we have a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 2. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, let me mark those 2 boxes. Yes, 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 yes. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9.
Stop nog mee.
Yes, 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 yes. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 5. All right. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. A 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, in that column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, here, 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here we have a 7, so no 7 in this box. There we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here in the middle row. So 1 box left in the middle column for number 6. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Almost finished, almost finished.
Laatste.
Yeah. Let me see. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 2, 3, and 8. Come on, come on, come on. It's taking too long. 8, 8. 2. Where is the opening, the opening, the opening? 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Cannot continue with the 4 now. 9, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the third column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Overlook this 6. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. Can I count? And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Alright. 3, 2, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2, 3, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in the second row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 1 digit left in this last column for number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers here, we have 2 and 8. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Right. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. Alright. Alright. 7, 9. 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1, 8, 2. Okay. How about? These are 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Okay. 5, 8. And the 2, 8 and 1, 2. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2 and 8, yeah. Need to mark them. 2, 8, 2, 5, 5, 8. 2, 3. All right, 2, 8. We have a pair. These two boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 8. And look, we have also 2 and 8 here. 2 and 8. So we have a pair here. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. One box left in this first column for number 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be 8 too. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a Sudoku with 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a technology with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.